Here is a short video on how to reset oil service light on Volvo S60, XC60, V60, 2014 to 2019, in 4 easy steps. 1. Insert the key and turn on the ignition. The engine must not be running. 2. Go to the display and make sure that you have trip 2 on the display by turning the rotary knob on the turn signal lever. Three. Then press the Start/Stop Engine button and the OK button on the turn signal lever at the same time until you see the eye indicator light framed in a square. Four. Wait until the eye indicator light flashes 3 times and then release both buttons and turn off the ignition by pressing the Start/Stop Engine button. If the message remains after resetting, try the procedure again or contact a Volvo workshop. Some models may require a diagnostic to reset. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.